when I started doing motorsport at college, we got a book called Hillier's Fundamentals of Motor Vehicle Engineering. And my tutor at the time, Graham Kemp, his name, he was a former UK Army tank commander, and he was a great guy. And he said to us, you need to keep that book and treat it as your Bible. You know, that's the book that will get you through this training. You need to read that book. He said it's kind of laid out that you can read it front to back and it'll make sense. Read it. And that was I think it said 4th edition. So we've got a guy coming here to do work experience, and I recommended that he bought the book. He bought the book and he bought a new one, and it's the 6th edition. And in the back, the last section, I need to go and check mine when I get back to the UK next. There's section 7 is future tech.
Uh-huh.
I'm pretty sure that future tech in my 4th edition from over 20 years ago and future tech in this now 6th or whatever edition it is are pretty much the same.